Hey everybody, we're here in Hannaford's. We're in the cold and allergy section. Just wanted to show you a few products here. People are always asking where to find things. This section here is pretty much all natural, homeopathic. You get your rescue remedy, which is really good for kids, calming, adults, stress we live in today. So here I wanted to show some of these cough syrups. This is a really, really good cough syrup. Talking low, I don't want people thinking I'm crazy. So if you see what's in here, you've got your thyme, licorice. There's some really good products in here. Eucalyptus, cajapa oil, juniper, wintergreen, clove, peppermint. Really, really great cough syrup. Even though I make a really good cough syrup in my shop, this is worth its money. It's $7.99, but boy, it works fast. And then you have the Umka Care, which is a really good syrup too. It's a little pricey, but you get your bang for your buck, and there's no GMO crap in it. You get the kids day and night. $6.79, not too bad of a price. Your bronchial cough syrups. They're all really good, especially like the Albas. And then you come down here and you'll find that Albas has these herbal cough drops, which are good. This is actually a good cough drop. This one's got the eucalyptus in it, I believe. This is what you have. They're a little pricey too, but you know, you get what you pay for. And being an herbalist, I see essential oils on here, I get all excited and like, yay, these are really good cough drops. These are $5.49 for a pack, but you get quite a few in here. You get 24, and they're really strong. It tastes good too. I see Burt's Bees has come out with some cough drops. You want to be careful when you're buying things like this, because you're getting into these ingredients that are fructose corn syrup. This one's not bad. This one has mallow, peppermint, sage, thyme, wild thyme, glycerin, honey. This one's a pretty good one. Honey, lemon, rucola. But there are some really cheap cough drops, which are basically just sugar. Like here. What are these guys? These guys are sugar. I think they're just sugar. Sugar and dyes, eucalyptus, but there's still, you get your FC, red, syrups, sucrose, cornstarch. There's better things you can be buying than all of that. Didn't want to make this too long, just want to go over some really, really good cough stuff that you can find in the store. So I recommend this section here. All these cough syrups.
Right, is this one?
Sinus relief, homeopathic, allergy and sinus, cold sinus. This is a good one. The Sambuco, which is the elderberry, day and night again. Pick your poison. These are actually really good cough section for kids and adults. Peace.